Good morning, students. We are starting today to solve the equations which are not actually the given simultaneous equation. Simple language, the given equations are not the simultaneous equations. See, the variables are in the denominator. The variables are in the denominator, and you can check when the denominator contains the variable, their power becomes negative, and negative power is not allowed in the simultaneous equations. So given equations are not the simultaneous equations. Let us see what to do. Now we have to convert these equations into actual simultaneous equations. So these given equations can be written like this. This number 2 into 1 upon x minus 3 into 1 upon y and is equal to 15. Correct? After that, when we are going to put, instead of this 1 upon x and 1 upon y, we are assuming a and b. Assume a is equal to 1 upon x and b is equal to 1 upon y. After putting these values, we got these equations. This is equation 1, equation 2. They have become now equation number 3 and equation number 4. 2a minus 3b is equal to 15. 8a plus 5b is equal to 77. These are equation number 3 and 4. Compare the coefficient of these two. It is 2 and 8 minus 3 and 5. To bring the same coefficient of any variable, we can convert these two into 8 by multiplying equation number 3 by 4. Equation number 3 by 4. This is equation number 3 will be converted into 8a minus 12b is equal to 60. That is equation number 5. What is the procedure we have adopted is multiplying equation number 3 by 4 and we got this equation. Now compare the coefficients of 4 and 5. You will see 8a same, similar. So we can do now the further procedure. What is to be done now? Subtract equation number 5 from 4. We are done here. 8a plus 5b is equal to 77 minus 8a minus 12b is equal to 60. Sign will be changed. These two will get cancelled and we lastly got 17b is equal to 17. So b is equal to 17 upon 17, 1. So b is equal to 1. Now putting that b is equal to 1 in equation number 3. Where to put the value of b in equation number 3. This is equation number 3. b become 1. So 2a minus 3a into 1 is equal to 15. And solving this, So 2a minus 3 is equal to 15. Sign change, side change. So 2a is minus 3 is equal to 15 and 2a is equal to 15 plus 3 and 2a is equal to 18. A is equal to 18 upon 2 and lastly we got value of a is 9. Correct? These are the values of a and b and we have to find the value of x and y. So again we have to resubstitute the values of a. So a is equal to 1 upon x is equal to 9 and b is equal to 1 upon y is equal to 1. We have resubstituted the values of a and b. So 1 upon x is equal to 9 and 1 upon y is equal to 1. Therefore, 1 is equal to 9x and 1 is equal to 1y. Therefore, dividing both sides by 9, 1 upon 9 is equal to 9 upon 9 into x and 1 upon 1 is equal to 1 upon 1 into y. Divided, both sides divided. So x is equal to 1 upon 9 and y is equal to 1. This is the solution. So final answer solution set is equal to 1 upon 9 and 1. Once again I am explaining, the given equations were not a simultaneous equations. Correct? We rearrange them 2 into 1 upon x and 3 into 1 upon y like that. Instead of 1 upon x and 1 upon y, we substituted a and b. We got these two equations, number 3 and number 4. After that we got 8a minus 12b and 8a plus 5b. We compare the coefficients. They are same and having same sign. Same sign and same coefficient, we have to subtract the simultaneous equations. We have subtracted. We got value of b. That value of b we substituted in equation number 3. Anyone, you can put in anyone, but we have taken 3. After that we got a. Value of a is 9. And the final part, resubstitute, because we have found the value of a and b, but we need x and y. So this is resubstituting. Instead of a, we put a 1 upon x is equal to 9, and instead of b, we put 1 upon y is equal to 1. After solving this, the final answer is x is equal to 1 upon 9 and y is equal to 1. So this is the final solution set. We'll see different type of such examples so that you can master. One more thing, I am completing the theory part only. Exercise will be solved afterwards. When your theory will be sound, your exercise will be nothing to you to trouble. They are not going to trouble you, in short. Correct? Definitely you will feel easy. I am going to give you different examples of the same time.